What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a house tour and this is our couch. As you can see, it's our beach couch and this is the shoe rack guys, and yeah, come on. And this is my book collection guys, come on. I have this Burj Khalifa. I brought it from Dubai, my father. And yeah, this is the big TV and all of those. And it's raining outside, so I can't go to the balcony because it's raining. That's the God room. Every Saturday we do puja. Yes, guys. Now let's go to the kitchen. And yes guys, this is the lunch table. We always do lunch and there's some foods. And this is some decorations which my mom likes. And this is the breakfast table, nice and clean. Come on. This is the fridge, and if you open it in there, and this is for water supply and ice cubes, water supplies and ice cubes. And that's the stove, the chimney, and the spoons, things, and boxes. This is the oven. That's the coffee center, and those are all spices. Those are all spices, and the coffee center. A sink, and we have a vacuum cleaner just in case our house is messy. And yeah, and this is for cooking stuff. Please don't see that. Please don't see that. Okay, you can just see it. I don't care. And come on guys, let's go to our parents' room. And this is my bed. I mean my parents' beds. And this is like, look at the sound guys. Look at that. I mean the rain. It rains every day guys, like I can't handle this. It rains every day. And this is the bed. my mother books is she reads a lot of them. And the bed, nice and comfy. Yeah. And those are the books. My father app at the backside, Smart Life. You should go download that app. It's so nice. We launched. My mother reads that Sadhguru, and this is my iPad. And now let's go to my room. That's the kitchen light now. Let's go to my room. This is the bed. This is the guest room. And yeah, I know. My grandparents sleep there mostly, and also my cousin brothers. I sleep up there. Usually I don't sleep here because I don't sleep up. Mostly I sleep down because I don't get air. Yeah, my bed, my top bed, my car. I play all over there with my friends. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. My gaming set. That's I drew that Ganesha and the ICIC bank just draw my face. They're like, do you want your face? And that's 10 rupees. This is my bookshelf. I don't have a gaming shelf. And my stationery, and the first aid kit. Mostly I call it med kit. We have a Sai Baba photo which we brought from Shirdi. My favorite color, my cotton and more cottons, and my guitar. I'm not a professional, so don't judge me. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications to be on the squad, guys. And like, share and comment this video, and comment done when you're done. Bye bye. See you guys.